Alright folks, this is Mike with M&M Precision Painting. Today we're going to show you how we mask off windows like a pro. So stay tuned, here we go.
You still looking at me?
Hey guys, tools you're going to need, tools we use anyhow. I got a 3M hand masker. I got 3M masking plastic. Got some 3M 2020 tape. This is 72 inch, by the way. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how we do this. So we just go along the top here. And what I like to do normally is, relative to what we're painting, in this case, just go along there. Then I'm going to make sure this is stuck real well. And I'm going to pull this pulls right out. And the wind can bother you sometimes. So I like to take this, stick a little here. Stick a little here. Tape is splintering on me. Go down a little further. Stick a little tape there. Same on the other side. Stick a little tape there. And go like a rung down, maybe. Go back behind. This stuff's being stubborn. Pull it down a little further. Grab yourself some more tape. Stick a little here. A little here. Kind of stretch it out. Then I'll go back up one rung. That's just kind of to keep it from blowing around on it, because it's really hard to work with, especially if there's a lot of wind. At this point, you just want to get you some off the roll there. Make sure it's pretty tight. Come to your other side, if I can reach it. I'm on uneven ground, so certainly not helping. This trim is getting painted anyhow. I think I'm gonna move my ladder real quick. I'm on super uneven ground here, you guys, so bear with me. All the rest out. You go around to your other side. Pull that guy down. I like a little method I have. I'll stick it to the tape and then pull it, stretch it. Stick it, pull it. Then we'll tuck underneath the excess. Move this guy out of the way. Doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to cover. Tape up the bottom here. All right, guys, if you notice, like on this house, we are I want my trim to dry as much as possible. That's I kind of overlapped it, or I want it to be as dry as possible after this body paint is dry. That way I can come back sooner rather than later to cut this trim in. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just trying to cover as much of it as I can. So, and that is how we tape windows before we spray. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. That's how we mask exterior windows before we spray. Don't forget to like us Facebook, Instagram, and of course subscribe to the channel over here. And yeah, we'll be back with more in the future.
You still looking at me?